a student, data analyst, or professional, and you're finding problems while calculating data in Excel? Here are the 3 tricks that you're going to be using to overcome such a scenario. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the INFOLAB Academy. I'm by the names of Fred. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how such tricks can be applied. Let's dive into the video. So you're seeing that we are having our Excel sheet with data, and we need to have their total. So what we do here, we are going to first use equal sign, then B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2. Then after we press enter. So after there, we are just going to select and auto fill. Since we are going to use another method or trick, we are going to clear this data. So for the second trick, we are going to say press equal sign, then sum, open brackets, B2 colon, then F2, then close brackets and press enter. And again here we are going to auto fill for the next cells. So the last trick is used by experts or professionals. We are just going to clear or delete our data. Then after, we need a total here. So we are going to select here up to cell G2. Then we press Alt on our keyboard, Alt plus equal. Then we auto fill. So thank you for watching this video. Once again, go hit our subscription bell. For more, you can subscribe on INFOLAB Academy. Thank you for watching this video.